packed for our day out at the beach. Woohoo!
Well done, Mr Tumble.
Oh, thank you.
Here comes Lord Tumble.
Oh, hello there, Mr. T. Let's get to that beach, eh?
Oh, well, hello, me, Lord Tumble.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Ready, driver?
It looks like Aunt Polly wants to come too.
Room for a little one, Mr. Tumble? Oh, of course, Aunt Polly. In you get. Scooch over, Lord Tumble.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Wait for me, the boy.
I'd love a day at the beach.
Of course, Grandad Tumble. In you get.
Right. Move up. He's coming through. Yeah, give me your hand. Give me your hand, big kid.
Ah, okay, now let's go.
Right, all right. Off we go. Could you just move over a little? Where's the driver? All right. No, Grandad. No.
Da-da-da. Ah, now is everybody ready?
Well, we're ready. Where's my beach ball? Yes, onward. Onward, driver. Oh, cheer.
Okay, here we go.
Right, finally.
Ahoy there! Permission to come aboard? Last minute delivery.
I think Fisherman Tumble and Baker Tumble want to come along.
Okay, in you get.
No. Fisherman, there's no room. Oh, no. That's it.
Right, let's go.
Off we go.
Wait.
I could have seen this. What's the boy going? No, sound good. Cars.
It's not starting.
Mr Tumble,
Yes?
did you forget to put petrol in the car?
No. I remember going to the, and Aunt Polly said, and I remember
forgot.
Tumble Ted,
He
he
forgot.
always...
Definitely forgot.
Yes, I did forget.
Told you. Yeah.
You are silly, Mr Tumble.
No, it was dear.
I know.
Yeah.
But now we can't go to the beach.
Oh,
You could have a beach day out here instead, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
What do you think, everyone?
it's a good idea.
Okay, everybody out, please.
Right, now,
We're here.
That's mine. That's it.
Just smell that CL.
I'm going for a paddle in the lake.
I can't wait for some fish and chips. Ho-ho!
Ahoy there. Listen.
Who wants to play beach ball?
Hey!
I do, Grandad Tumble.
Whoa!
Mr Tumble,
Yes?
can you show us the sign for beach?
Ooh, yes. Beach. New sign. Beach.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr Tumble. You're our friend.
I love to laugh and giggle. And if you want to join us for some more laughing and giggling, then you can find us on BBC iPlayer. Woohoo!